Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. How to build your first stock portfolio. Step by step for beginners. Building your first stock portfolio can feel overwhelming, but it's an exciting step towards financial security. The key is to approach it systematically, starting with defining your personal goals clearly. Ask yourself about your priorities. Are you aiming for retirement, a dream home, or simply to generate passive income? Understanding your time horizon is equally vital. Knowing whether you're investing for the next few years or the next few decades can help shape your investment strategy. Now that you've taken the time to define your goals and understand your risk tolerance, it's time to move forward with your asset allocation. This step is critical as it determines how to distribute your investments across different types of assets, ensuring a well-rounded approach to managing both potential risk and reward. A suggested allocation for beginners is to invest about 60% in index funds or ETFs for stability, 20% in individual stocks for growth potential, and the remaining shares distributed between dividend stocks and cash or bonds for safety, allowing your portfolio to grow steadily over time. As you prepare to select your first investments, it's essential to prioritize stability and diversification. A great starting point is to look into well-known low-cost index funds, such as the S&P 500 ETF, which will provide you with immediate access to a broad range of companies and minimize risk. Another reliable choice could be a total market ETF, capturing the entire spectrum of the U.S. stock market and offering diverse exposure in one investment vehicle. Meanwhile, consider incorporating a couple of dividend stocks known for their historical reliability, providing you with steady income alongside potential appreciation. Remember, selecting just a handful of quality positions is all you need to begin your successful investment journey. As you navigate the process of choosing a brokerage platform, it's crucial to select one that aligns with your beginner needs and goals. Look for features that enhance your investing experience, such as zero trading fees, a user-friendly mobile app, and the option for automatic dividend reinvestment. These features can help simplify your investment journey, allowing you to focus on building your portfolio without getting bogged down by unnecessary costs or complicated interfaces. Selecting the right platform sets the foundation for successful investing and empowers you to make informed decisions when executing your investment strategy. To truly enjoy the journey of growing your stock portfolio, consider automating your investments. This process can turn investing into a hands-off endeavor, allowing you to take advantage of compound growth without constantly monitoring the markets. By setting up automatic transfers from your bank account into your brokerage account, you can start saving and investing effortlessly. Many platforms offer features like automatic dividend reinvestment, where your earnings are reinvested back into your portfolio, helping your investments grow exponentially over time. Consider implementing roundups from your debit card purchases, effectively turning spare change into investment contributions. Automating these processes diminishes emotional decision-making, contributing to a disciplined, long-term investment strategy that can yield impressive results without the stress of daily market fluctuations. Over time, these consistent, small investments can add up significantly, empowering you to build wealth while focusing on other aspects of your life. As you proceed to monitor your stock portfolio, keep in mind that the goal is not to obsess over daily fluctuations but to maintain a healthy perspective on your investments. Regular reviews every month can help you stay on track without falling into the trap of knee-jerk reactions during market volatility. During these assessments, ensure that your asset allocation remains in line with your initial strategy. If any particular category has grown too significantly, it may be time to rebalance your portfolio. Yearly goal reviews are essential to verify they still align with your financial objectives, providing clarity and direction as life circumstances change. Remember, it's normal for markets to experience ups and downs, so maintaining a steady hand often proves the most beneficial approach for long-term success. As you embark on this exciting investment journey, it's crucial to be aware of common pitfalls that many beginners face. One of the biggest mistakes is chasing after hype stocks, often driven by social media trends or tips from unreliable sources, which can lead to significant losses. Another misstep is making impulsive decisions based on fear during market dips, instead of staying focused on your long-term plan and maintaining a disciplined approach. Remember, investing is not about trying to time the market. It's about building wealth gradually with thoughtful, consistent actions. As you work on your portfolio, consider an example beginner portfolio with an investment amount of $1,000 to highlight how these concepts come together. In this scenario, you might allocate $400 to an S&P 500 ETF like VU, giving you instant diversification and stability. You could assign $200 to a total market ETF, such as VTI, ensuring exposure to a wide range of U.S. companies. A further $150 could be invested in a reliable blue-chip stock like Microsoft, with another $150 going into a growth stock, perhaps Nvidia, for higher potential returns. Lastly, setting aside $100 for a dependable dividend stock, such as Coca-Cola, can provide you with regular income while your investments grow over time. Each of these choices complements one another, laying the groundwork for a solid foundation as you begin your investment journey. As you reflect on the process of building your first stock portfolio, remember that the journey of investing is just as important as the destination. Developing a firm understanding of your goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy allows you to create a well-rounded portfolio that aligns with your financial aspirations. Your experiences, both challenges and victories, will shape your investing mindset and resilience. With this knowledge in hand, you'll be better equipped to navigate the dynamic world of investing and seize opportunities as they arise. Ultimately, consistency, patience, and a long-term perspective will pave the way for your financial success. Whether you are taking your first step or expanding your investment horizons, keep the bigger picture in focus, and trust in your plan to work for you over time. Building your first stock portfolio doesn't have to feel complicated. Start small, stay consistent, and adhere to your plan. Remember to define your goals, understand your risk tolerance, and choose a balanced asset allocation that fits your needs. Pick diversified investments to contribute to both growth and stability, and leverage a beginner-friendly brokerage that aligns with your investing philosophy. Automate your strategy to ensure steady contributions, allowing your wealth to compound over time without the stress. Ultimately, patience is key, and even modest investments can lead to significant wealth accumulation over the years. Thank you for being part of this journey. Take pride in knowing that building your first stock portfolio is a journey that empowers you towards financial independence. Embrace the process by starting small, investing routinely, and staying informed about your investments. No matter your initial capital, remember that every step cultivates growth. As you continue your investment endeavors, keep nurturing your portfolio, and celebrate the milestones along the way. Investing successfully means being adaptable, persistent, and committed to your long-term vision. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and may your financial future be bright with possibilities. As you move forward, always keep in mind that the journey of building your stock portfolio is ongoing. Embrace the learning experience, stay curious, and adapt as you grow. Remember, investing is not a sprint. It's a marathon that rewards commitment and informed decision-making over time. Keep your eyes on your financial goals, and let this journey shape your future. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comments.